Welcome to lesson number 5 in the Fearlessly Create a Life You Love email course. We are so close to being done and you are killing these lessons. Today's lesson will be all about momentum and things that you can do to move the needle forward in your life. So flip to page 10 and let's dive in. What we'll be doing is creating 2 to 3 goals to help take you closer to your ideal life. What are some things that you can start incorporating into your everyday life to help you create the life that you want? For me, one of my goals was to start and grow an online business. I knew that in my ideal life, I wanted to be able to travel, and I also wanted to be able to make money from anywhere in the world. And I know that by starting an online business, that would help me reach that ideal life that I wanted for myself. So now you'll have to determine what would be the best course of action for you. Now, it doesn't have to be something as big as starting an online business, but it could even be something such as you taking an online class to help you improve in a certain area or a certain skill, or possibly finding more time throughout the week to meditate because you know it brings you more peace and less stress. Or maybe you have a goal of working out more throughout the week and cleaning up your diet. So as you can see, there are so many things that you can do to help you move the needle forward in your life. I recommend starting off with only 2 to 3 goals at first, just so you don't get too overwhelmed. And then once you feel like you have a handle on those goals, then you can start adding more goals into the mix. And then just keep completing that cycle. You got this. Keep that momentum going, and I'll see you in the final lesson.